in Germany, and now currently I live in Manila. So I stand for barrier-free fitness, unity, and health. That's because I'm gonna provide a safe place for the young generation to unlock their full potential. Because I wish I had someone doing that when I was younger. When I grew up in Germany, I worked as a breakdance instructor for years for the younger generation, and the next step for that was to found my own non-profit organization to empower the youth, both physically and emotionally. So we gave free workshops, free trainings, and free competitions to make sports the reality of as many people as possible. And regardless of financial situation, of their prior knowledge, or even their background. That ended up us having a project in Cebu, where my mom came from, to teach the local youth to take care of themselves and be healthy and take care of their future self. So that was very important for me to give something back to the place my mom originally came from. So fitness is not wellness, it's not all about fitness. It's about community, self-development, and giving the young generation a place to develop themselves and opportunities to succeed. And that's why this is my Superbod era.
Thank you, and I believe that my equilibrium is all thrown off now that I'm on the other side of the table, but I think, Sir Cardinal, I think the question is yours.
Hi, Robbie. So, Robbie, how long have you been living in the Philippines?
2 months.
2 months. So, what about the Philippine culture have you seen that you can proudly share to Germany, people in Germany, that we can say that is the best that the Philippines has to offer?
So I feel in the Philippines, the people empower themselves, like each other, way more than in Germany. And in Germany, I feel like there's a lot of hatred and a lot of jealousy. And I really love that about the Filipino culture, because you really want each other to succeed. And that's what I want to see everywhere. Not only in Germany, I want to see this everywhere. And wherever I go, I try to empower people to lift each other up.
Thank you, Robbie.
Video number 28.